Music is a universal language. It transcends borders and cultures. It has the power to evoke deep emotions within us. For centuries, the creation of music has been considered a uniquely human endeavor. We marvel at the works of composers like Beethoven and Mozart, their genius seemingly beyond our comprehension. But what if I told you that a new type of composer is emerging, one powered not by a beating heart but by artificial intelligence? The world of music is on the verge of a revolution. AI is changing how we create, experience, and even understand music. Imagine a future where algorithms can compose symphonies, write catchy pop songs, or even personalize soundtracks for our lives. This might sound like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming a reality. This new era of AI-generated music raises many questions. Can AI truly be creative? Can it evoke the same emotional depth as human-composed music? Join me as we explore the exciting and rapidly evolving world of AI music composition. How does AI even begin to compose music? Well, it starts with data. Just like a human composer learns by studying music theory and listening to countless songs, AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets of existing music. These datasets contain information about melody, harmony, rhythm, and even the emotional qualities of different musical elements. By analyzing these patterns, AI can learn the rules and nuances of music composition. It's like teaching a computer to speak a new language, but instead of words, it's using musical notes and chords. Early AI music programs were quite basic, capable of generating simple melodies or chord progressions. But as technology has advanced, so too has the sophistication of AI composers. Today, AI can create complex and original pieces of music across various genres, from classical to jazz to electronic dance music. Some AI programs even allow users to input specific parameters, such as desired mood, tempo, or instrumentation, giving them a degree of control over the composition process. The world of AI music is brimming with exciting projects pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One such project is AIVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, an AI composer that has created soundtracks for video games, commercials, and even a ballet. AIVA's music is notable for its emotional depth and complexity, showcasing the evolving capabilities of AI composers. Another groundbreaking project is Magenta, developed by Google's Brain team. Magenta is an open-source research project exploring the intersection of AI and art, with a particular focus on music. Magenta has produced a wide range of AI-generated music, from piano sonatas to experimental electronic tracks, demonstrating the versatility of AI in music creation. These projects are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and groundbreaking AI music projects to emerge. Section 4, Human Touch versus Artificial Intelligence, the Art of Emotion in Music. One of the most common questions about AI music is whether it can truly capture the emotional depth and nuance of human-composed music. After all, music is often seen as a reflection of the human experience, expressing our joys, sorrows, and everything in between. While AI has made remarkable strides in replicating the technical aspects of music composition, the question of emotional authenticity remains a topic of debate. Some argue that AI, lacking the lived experiences and emotions of humans, can only imitate or mimic human emotions in music, rather than genuinely expressing them. Others contend that AI, by analyzing vast datasets of music associated with specific emotions, can learn to evoke those emotions in listeners, even without experiencing them directly. Ultimately, the question of whether AI can truly replicate the emotional power of human-composed music is a subjective one. Section 5. Harmonious Fusion, Envisioning the Future of Music. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's clear that it will play an increasingly prominent role in the world of music. But rather than seeing AI as a threat to human creativity, we should embrace the potential for collaboration and innovation. Imagine a future where AI serves as a powerful tool for human musicians, assisting with composition, arrangement, and even performance. AI could help musicians overcome creative blocks, explore new sonic landscapes, and even personalize music for individual listeners. This collaborative approach could lead to a new golden age of music, where human creativity and AI innovation combine to produce truly extraordinary works of art. The future of music is not about choosing between human or AI composers, but about embracing the possibilities of their collaboration. It's about harnessing the power of technology to augment and enhance human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of music. So let the music play on, a harmonious fusion of human ingenuity and artificial intelligence.